Can Samsung really surprise everyone by launching its next foldable phones earlier than expected? It looks like that might actually happen. According to fresh leaks and reports, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 could be announced in the first week of July 2025. That would make this the fastest release ever for Samsung's foldable series, beating out previous timelines. One of the key reports comes from the Zhongyang, which suggests Samsung is preparing for a major Galaxy Unpacked event in New York City. This would be a return to a familiar location, as the company had launched the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4 there as well. In recent years, Samsung had shifted its event locations to Seoul and Paris, but this time, it looks like they're circling back to New York for a big reveal. And it won't just be about phones. There are strong hints that Samsung will also introduce a new Galaxy Watch of the event. Even more interesting, it could finally show off its first Android XR-based headset. This mixed reality device is expected to go head-to-head with other tech giants in the space, like Apple's Vision Pro. On top of that, leaks also point toward two more potential surprises: a budget-friendly Galaxy Z Flip FE and a long-rumored trifold phone, which has been in development for quite some time. Now let's talk about the foldables themselves. Starting with the Galaxy Z Flip 7, one of the most noticeable upgrades might be its larger outer screen, rumored to be around 4 inches and stretching nearly edge to edge. That would make it more practical for things like checking notifications or using widgets without opening the phone. On the inside, the foldable screen could measure about 6.85 inches. As for the cameras, early leaks suggest a dual camera setup on the back with a 50 megapixels main lens and a 12 megapixel secondary lens. Inside, there may be a 12 megapixels front camera for selfies. It could be powered by a 4,300 mAh battery and support 25-watt fast charging. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 might offer even more impressive features. It's expected to come with a 6.5-inch outer display and a larger 8.2-inch foldable inner screen. The rear camera setup could include a 200 megapixels primary lens, 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 10 megapixels telephoto lens with 3x zoom. For selfies, it may have a 12 megapixels front camera along with an upgraded under-display camera inside the fold. A 4,400 mAh battery with 25-watt charging support could power it all. Both devices are expected to run One UI 8.0, based on Android 16 and be powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This means faster performance, better multitasking, and overall smoother usage. Each phone might come with at least 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of internal storage, with higher options available. Design-wise, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to be very slim, about 4.5 millimeters thick when unfolded and around 9.5 millimeters when closed. This would make it slimmer than many foldables on the market right now. Both the Flip and Fold models might also feature IP48 ratings, making them more resistant to dust and water. You can also expect features like stereo speakers, a USB Type-C port, and all the usual high-end capabilities Samsung is known for. If everything lines up as expected, Samsung could be setting up one of its most exciting product reveals yet. From upgraded displays and powerful cameras to sleeker designs and enhanced durability, these new foldables might push the limits even further. Which feature are you most excited about? The sharper cameras, the bigger cover displays, or just the idea of getting your hands on them sooner than expected? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech news and reviews.